Hello, Sarah of SEK Handmade here, and today I'm going to share with you how to work the Tunisian reverse stitch. Friends, if you want high texture, this is the stitch for you. Let's go. I really love the texture that the Tunisian reverse stitch creates. It is almost like the purl bumps that are created when you're working knitting. It's really a high texture. You can see how raised up it is from the fabric, and it's so much fun and so simple to do. For this tutorial, you will need any size yarn you're comfortable with or have laying around, and a matching Tunisian crochet hook or a crochet hook that has a nice long neck here that you can put several stitches on to work your Tunisian work. And then this is worked over a multiple of one stitch. So you can chain and work your setup row for any number of stitches that you'd like to try this with. Check out the description below for a link to my beginner Tunisian videos. If you are uncertain of how to do a setup row, I got you covered in the links below. We are going to start on the right side of our work to make the Tunisian reverse stitch, and we're going to work an entire row of reverse stitches. So for Tunisian simple stitch, you work through this front bar from right to left, and we're going to do the same thing but on the back side of our work. So if you flip your work so that the back is showing, you can see there's the back bar of all of your stitches, and so you're just going to work from right to left through that back bar, yarn over, and pull up your loop. And honestly, once you get the first one done, your work kind of curls forward and it makes it a little easier to see. So there is my next stitch. I'm going to go from right to left and pull up a loop. And then you just keep traveling across your work until you get to the end. And the way that this stitch creates this gorgeous texture is that it takes the return pass that you've done and it shifts it forward. It kind of folds it down. And so that's your return pass that's giving it that nice texture. When you reach the end of your row, you're going to work your edge stitch just like normal. So I see my V right there. I'm going to go through both of those and pull up a loop. And then your return pass is just the same as any other return pass. This stitch, the reverse Tunisian stitch, is worked in multiples of one, which means that it can be alternated between. You don't have to work a whole row. You could do a Tunisian simple stitch and then a reverse stitch, and then a simple stitch and a reverse stitch, or 3 knit stitches and 2 reverse stitches. Any combination of that works. So I encourage you to play with it on a little swatch like this and just have fun and experiment and improve your Tunisian skills. And that is how you work the Tunisian reverse stitch. Such a simple technique to give such amazing texture. It is always my goal to help you grow confidently in your craft. I hope this video has done that. I would love it if you would like this video and subscribe to my channel. Turn on notifications so that you'll be notified every time I post a new video. Check out the links in the description below. Lots of helpful tutorials and information in there. Thank you again for joining me, and happy crafting.